in the garden. I was in the garden the other day, and then all of a sudden it just there was this hedgehog, and it was just climbing up the wall, and it snuck into the first floor window, and then it went and hid underneath the wardrobe, and it basically squatted under the wardrobe for like 6 months apparently. I was reading it in this book. It's a book about hedgehogs. It's written by a scientist who studies hedgehogs, and I just quite like the idea of a ninja hedgehog climbing up the wall, going through the first floor window, and then squatting under a wardrobe and not leaving. You know, I just, you know, what would the bailiffs think? They swim as well. They can swim. And they've got this special flap of skin that they use to pull themselves, so it like holds it, like when you shut a handbag. You know, that's how they go into this ball. It's just amazing. And apparently stroking them is like putting your hand in a packet of pie lentils. So that's what that's what I was just thinking. I just and just
temporary repair on the roof, and there was sort of a kind of plastic, you know, to stop the rain getting in, and they
the rain
they just tore
comes
it
down,
all apart
comes down.
and raised a family in there.
That's right. I mean, every time you come out in the garden, there's this whole family of hedgehogs, and then they get surprised, and then they burst out into all different directions.
And then once the squirrels went, the jackdaws came back, so we've got to wait for the jackdaws to go now, for the babies to be grown up, and then hopefully we can repair the roof.